paraboli na kebala. Ya boli ala matenito. O takenige lengai show matenito. Ana pa ebe.
I'm really thankful to be here to the Wainibuka of Mbure. Thank you very much for allowing the Ministry of Health to come and to discuss with you and the Vanua about how best we can be able to look after sanitation and provide sanitation for the 37 families that we've been able to support, with 20 of them coming from UNICEF. And I thank the UNICEF resident coordinator for the support of UNICEF, not only for SOA but for many other villages that we've identified that we're going to work together with. As you're aware, our role as heads of the family when we build a house, our role is to also build a sanitation facility. But sometimes it is a challenge, but we understand that, and that's why government is working hand in hand with UNICEF to see how best we can be able to support that work. So we also want to thank the provincial office in Ra and also the PA's office in Ra, the divisional health team and now health leaders that are here. But as I said, more importantly, I want to thank everyone for the work we've done together, the young men who are digging day in, day out, the women who've been providing the food and supporting the work. And also, once again, thank you to the whole Vanua, the whole village, for listening to what the little things that we brought. It's nothing new. It's a way and a part and parcel of our lives that we are just reminding us today. Vinasarvalevu ni kalunga chachu.
Okay, ready?
So up.
Thank you.